Alright, today we're here for your speaking test, okay? Can you tell me what's your name? Hi Rose, can you tell me how old are you? Very good, and how are you today? I'm also happy. And can you tell me what's your favorite color? I like green. High five. Good girl. Okay. Now let's look at the letters and their sound. Can you tell me the letter and the sound? Sound. Okay. Letter B. Very good. Letter. Good job. Okay. Now it says look and say the word that has the sound. Ah. Ants. Very good. What about candy and drum? What about frog? Frog. Very good. Okay, Rose, let's look at the picture. And can you tell me what you see here? Let me see. Very good. And how many apples are there? There are 5 apples. Good job. What about this one here? What's this? It's a bird. And what's the beginning letter? Letter B sound B. What is this? And what does the cat say? Meow. Very good. Is this a duck? And what's this? It's a doll. Very good. Can you tell me what do you see? You see eggs, and what's the beginning sound? Sound. E sound. Okay. Now this is the last question. Okay, the last question. What is this? And what's the color? What color is it?